Hi, my name's Adam Flynn from Biggin and Scotch Real Estate here in the City of Knox. Thank you for your inquiry on this property. If you have any questions on this property or any of the properties we currently have on the market, please feel free to give me a call on 0423 694 755. Thank you for your inquiry and have a fantastic day.
Close to all amenities including schools, shops and transport is this fantastic property with an attractive façade. A must-see for anyone wanting only the highest levels of quality low-maintenance living. Boasting an ever-popular open floor plan, this property comprises 2 bedrooms, well-appointed kitchen, split-system air conditioning, secure underground parking and the list goes on. Enjoy entertaining? This feature-packed property comes fully equipped with your very own private balcony and a separate courtyard, perfect for entertaining. In this highly desirable location, this fantastic property, put simply, is a must-see. Inspection, we assure you, won't disappoint. At Biggin & Scott Knox, we deliver.